Santosh, respected Principal Brother Balaswamy, dignitaries on the dais, on and off the dais, teachers, parents, non-teaching staff, dear students. First of all, I congratulate all the participants, all the master. Tumba chanagide your drills. Give a big applause to them. A very good afternoon, one and all present here. It is a truly great joy and honor to be me and my family. My husband, my daughters are present here. They are left off. These are wonderful 21st Sports Day celebrations. Sports is a day, just not event. It teaches some life's most important lesson. Hard work, patience, unity, reliance, field and celebration of discipline, teamwork and determination. Sports is the key to open the door of happiness, unity, friendship, and it's bring of way of success. Sports help improve both physical and mental strength, our body remaining fit and healthy. Variety of sports activities bring a lot of positive opportunities for us. Sports bring discipline in our life. In the modern education system, the sports have been made an integral part of the education to make interesting, tension-free and enjoyable. When you play any sporting event, whether it is individual or team event, you challenge your body, but more important, you challenge your mind. You learn how to set a goal, how to work hard, and how to stay focused, and with the process you become a stronger, more confident, and more disciplined. Today is your day. You all are trained very hard. Now it is the time to put everything you all got there on field. Let us carry the same sportsman spirit in our daily life, whether it is studies, working, or relationship, because life itself like a game. Success comes to those prepare well. Everybody has a talent, but ability takes hard work. Hard work is the key to success in your life. When we work hard, we learn how to grow and become stronger. Nothing great comes easy, and effort always brings result in time. Even if we fail, hard work helps us try again with more courage. People who work hard are respected and trusted others. If you do not believe in yourself, no one with you do it for you. Be strong, courage, and do not afraid, not discourage, for the Lord God with you wherever you go. Winning and it's a losing is a part of the game. You all are winners. To all the students, remember every race you can run, every match you can play, every practice you attended. Shape not just your body, but also your character. Build your confidence, improve your focus, and teach you how to face both victory and fail with grace. Me and my family take this moment to congratulate the Holy Cross School and PU College management and staff, encouraging sports along with academic development that confident, responsible, and resilient citizen. Once again, we thank each and everyone from Holy Cross family give this opportunity for us. Our special thanks to Brother Chaco for initiative to bring us to here. Thank you. May God bless you this sports day and with your unity and success for everyone. Let us carry the same sportsman spirit into our daily life. All the very best and all congratulations to all the participants and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Interdependent people combine their own efforts with the efforts of others to achieve the greatest success, says Stephen Covey. Now I request the dads of our students to come forward to show that in union there is strength to the game tug of war.
divided into two groups. Dear audience, please give them a round of applause.
Hello. Sir, first whistle you have to carry, second whistle you have to take a position, and third whistle you have to start. Okay? Ready? Ready? Now, position. You have to carry. Now, second whistle you have to take a position. Don't pull, don't pull. Position. Position. Sir, ready? Now third whistle you have to start. Ready? Ready?
Now I request Reverend Brother Gnaneshekharan CSC to honor Mr. Balram, Secretary of Ujjwal World School. Now I request Reverend Brother Gnaneshekharan CSC to honor Mr. Balram, Secretary of Ujjwal World School.
Come on, dear parents, come on. Pull the rope. Come on.
Now I request Reverend Brother Gnaneshekharan CSC to honor
Come on,
Mr.
papas,
Balram,
show
Secretary
your
of Ujjwal
strength.
World School. Come on, dear papas. We
Come on,
welcome you, sir.
papas. Show that you're very strong.
Thank you, brother and sir.
Service.
Congratulations, winners. Well done, dear papas. And here they go for another round. All the best, dear papas.
Hello. Sir, eight count. Eight count again. Sir, count. Naveen, sir, count. Okay. Sir, first whistle you have to lift. Second whistle position. 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 So third whistle you have to start. Ready? Ready? Venkat.
Dear students, encourage
Our papas are more stronger.
Congratulations, dear papas.
That was.
The winners of Tagawa game is Group A. And now I request our principal, and I request Mr. Prasanna, PTA President, to join to give the prizes. Congratulations, papas. That's a great job. Thank you, brother and sirs, and hats off to you all, dear papas. Thank you for your participation. Thank you,
Juniors and super senior boys.
If you believe in yourself, dedication and pride, you'll never quit. You are a winner. Now I request our brother Nelson CSC, the province administrator, to distribute the prizes.
Third standard boys, obstacle shuttle run, heats 1. Zion of 3rd D. Second place, Hariraj of
Competitors,
3rd C.
on your mark.
Third place,
Set.
Tariq of 3rd F. Heats 2. Muzamonil of 3rd C. Second place, third standard girls obstacle shuttle run, heats 1. Sania of 3rd C. Second place, Advita of 3rd C. Third place, Gautami of 3rd E. Heats 2. First place, Sharadhya of 3rd A. Second place, Shruti of 3rd D. And third place, Aradhya of 3rd C. Fourth standard girls obstacle shuttle run, heats 1. Sukanya of 4th E. Second place, Bethany of 4th A. Third place, Hanika of 4th E. Heats 2. First place, Surani of 4th D. Second place, Yashmita of 4th F, and 3rd place is shared by 2. Alia of 4th A and Jakruti of 4th A. 4th standard boys obstacle shuttle run heats 1. First place Alvin of 4th D. Second place Aditya of 4th E, and 3rd place is shared by 2. Jafet of 4th D and Arnav of 4th D. Heats 2. First place goes to Arav of 4th A. Second place goes to Syed of 4th A, and 3rd place goes to Vaibhav of 4th F. Congratulations, dear winners.
The next set of junior boys are eagerly waiting at the starting point for the command.
Competitors, on your mark, set,
And look at their lightning speed.
What a determination and speed our boys have got. Perfect baton exchange. That's the spirit of true teamwork. This is teamwork in motion, just like India's runner who ran not for themselves but for the nation. What a smooth passover again, boys.
The baton is more than a stick. It carries the hope of the whole team.
Run past, fly, just like a lightning chain. Congratulations, winners.
What a fantastic run it was. Look at that powerful start.
Like the pain, the passion, the strength, the courage you sacrifice all for the love of your game.
Come on, boys, pass the baton.
Come on, boys, run fast, run. That was smooth.
That was a smooth passover, boys. Green is in the lead, followed by blue. And yes, the final stretch. Congratulations, winners.
competitors, on your mark, set.
Here they go, channeling the true spirit of Usain Bolt.
Desire is the most important factor in the success of an athlete. Come on, runners, keep going.
Do not think of the start of the race. Think of the ending, says P.T. Usha. Come on, boys, run fast, run.
Some of the proud inspirations of India for our future athletes. Milkha Singh, also known as the Flying Sikh, is a legendary sprinter and a Commonwealth Games gold medalist.
And the yellow is in lead, followed by green. Smooth pass again. Focus and persistence are the key words for personality.
Yellow is in the lead, followed by green. Yes, what a fantastic run it was. Congratulations, winners.
Competitors, on your mark, set.
What a fantastic start it is.
The speed of the body matters less than the strength of the spirit.
These young athletes have been practicing hard for this moment and now it's time to shine. Come on, runners, run fast. And that was smooth exchange.
Watch closely, audience. This one is going to be fast. Yellow is in the lead, followed by blue. And a smooth passover again. Looks like we have got our own Usain Bolt. Look at the spirit of our boys. Perfect baton exchange. Come on, boys, you're almost there. Yes, congratulations, boys. Cheer them on, audience. The cheer will give the boost.
And here comes the next set of boys on the track.
Competitors, on your mark. Set.
And here they go. Come on, runners, run fast.
Every step is a victory. Every smile is a medal. Come on, runners. Come fast to achieve your goal.
Grace, speed and courage. This is how champions are made. Just like Milkha Singh passed on his legacy, these runners passed the baton of speed and spirit. Again, a smooth baton exchange. PT Usha would be proud of that.
Come on, boys. Keep on track. Losers quit when they're tired. Winners quit when they've won.
Wow, what a run! Yellow and red is having a really tough competition. Who's gonna cross the line first? Yes, congratulations, winners! The next set of super senior boys are all set on the track for the command.
Competitors, on your mark. Set.
What a mind-blowing start.
Nitendra Singh Rawat, national record holder in marathon events. Let's see who is going to cross this. Come on, runners, run fast.
Usain Bolt holds a world record in 100 meters, 9.58 seconds. Let's see who gets closest today. Wow, what a smooth passover again, boys. They're running with all they've got. The last baton exchange. Smooth and slide. Green is in the lead, followed by yellow. What a run, boys.
Congratulations, winners. To come forward for the game, Bomb in the City. Dear mamas, come soon. Please come forward.
It's all set for you, mamas. Please come forward for the game. I request the mamas to choose the best cities.
So you can choose anyone and you can come to that spot. So later you should not exchange the places. Music on. Move fast, mamas. Come on, come on. Run, 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 run. Run, mamas.
I request Reverend Brother Santosh CSC, the Provincial Superior, to choose the city. Get ready, dear parents. Kolkata.
The bomb city is Kolkata.
Congratulations, dear.
Congratulations, parents. Thank you. Come on, mamas, run, 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 run fast. Run fast, mamas. Keep it little away.
Now I request Gina Sakaria ma'am to please choose the city.
Mumbai.
Oh, it's Mumbai.
The bomb city is Mumbai. Thank you, parents. Thank you for your participation and congratulations. Music's on. Run, run, run fast, parents. Come on.
Kolkata.
The bomb city is again Kolkata. Thank you, dear parents, for your participation. Come on, parents, run, run, run fast. Outside, outside. Run, run, run fast.
It's Mumbai.
The bomb city is Mumbai. Thank you, dear parents. Run, dear parents, run fast. Run, 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 run.
Delhi.
The bomb city is Delhi. Nobody is there.
Is Bangalore.
The bomb city is Bengaluru. Thank you, dear parents, for your participation. So spread out, dear parents. Kindly spread out, dear parents. Run, run, run fast. Spread out, dear parents.
Kolkata. Kolkata.
The bomb city is Kolkata. Thank you, ma'am.
Mumbai.
The bomb city is Mumbai. Music on.
From each city you have to take. Each city you have to take.
It's Delhi.
The bomb city is Delhi. Thank you, ma'am. Come on, mamas. Run, 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 run fast.
Bengaluru.
The bomb city is Bengaluru. Thank you, ma'am. The first place goes to Mrs. Lakshmi Devi. Second place goes to Mrs. Milan. And third place goes to Mrs. Rekha. Congratulations, dear winners. Audience, give them a big round of applause.
Congratulations, dear mamas. Next,
Thank you, ma'am,
before
and
you
mamas.
Next, we bring before you an ancient martial art, Silambam, culture and heritage. With rhythmic steps, swift spins, and powerful strikes, our young warriors are ready to showcase their talent and dedication. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause for the Silambam performance.
Champions believe in themselves, even when no one else does. I request Mr. Gopinath, proprietor and owner of Neelambari Construction, to distribute the prize to the winners. First place goes to Savil Shai, Sujit J, Vidhan, Tejas PM. Second place goes to Shashank, Geojoy, Vihaniyal, Hemraj, Adhikari. And third place goes to Ritik Vyar, Harshita S, D. Nishant Deva, Vishal M. 8th standard boys relay. First place goes to Vipin South, Soumya Deep Chit, Sufyan,
Ramcharan Royal. Second place goes to Kumareshan, Arpan Prakash, Ash Devan, Deepak Singh. Third place goes to Jeetveer Dev, Ishan S, Omer Ali, Zohan K. 9th standard relay boys. First place goes to Sharid Mandal, Zayan Agustin KF, Solomon M, Kishan J. Second place goes to Rizwan S, Pranav Gowda, Pavan V, Stephen G. Third place goes to Rajveer Ray, Dirshit Gowda, Rahitya De, Karma Lama. And 10th standard relay boys. First place goes to Chintan, Vinit, Sumit, Yashas. Second place goes to Ramcharan S, Deepak, John R, Bunty. Third place goes to Nishant, Emmanuel S, Danny, Likit, Anthony. First PUC and 11th CBSE relay boys. First place goes to Lalit Sagar KM, Sharvant K, Lingabo, SR Vishwanath. Second place goes to Pankaj Rawat, Hemant Kumar, Anil Kumar, Tuhin Mishra. Third place goes to Kartik RS, Heathen M, Abhishek M, Dakshit M. Congratulations, dear winners. Now I request Mr. Shegar, Chairman of Kickstart, and Mr. David Sagai Raj to award the prize to the winners.
That was indeed a spectacular display of skill, discipline and tradition. A big round of applause to our young Silambam warriors for this outstanding performance. Now our girls are getting ready for the relay. Our junior girls are all set on the track for the relays. What an electrifying start that was.
This race is all about the courage and focus, and our runners have got all of them. Come on, girls.
Like Himalayas in full flight, they're chasing wind. Come on, come on, girls.
Blue is in the lead, followed by red. And what a tough competition our girls are having. What a smooth pass over that was. Run fast, girls. Come on, you can do that.
What a determination.
Audience, cheer them up with a big round of applause. That was a perfect baton exchange. Red is in lead, followed by blue. And yes, you're almost there. Come on, girls. Just a few meters to go. Congratulations, winners.
Competitors, on your mark. Set.
What a powerful start.
Wow, what a race. What an energy. Audience, give them a round of applause.
They're running like the wind chasing the clouds. Come on, runners, run fast. And that was a smooth exchange. Come on, runners, run fast.
Green is leading, followed by blue. Another smooth pass over.
Those legs are moving faster than morning alarms. Come on, girls, come fast to achieve your goal.
Cheer them on, audience.
Smooth baton exchange.
The blue is in lead, followed by green.
Just a few more to go. Blue and green is having a really tough competition. Come on, girls, you're almost there. That was a fine running, girls. Congratulations.
The race begins and every second counts from now. Come on, girls, run fast.
Watch out, they're turning this track into the racetrack of superheroes.
Watch that handover, clean and quick. Yellow's in the lead, followed by blue.
Come on, girls, keep on track.
Look at them go. Teamwork at lightning speed. Come on, girls. And that was smooth exchange.
Cheer them on, pass the energy down the track.
Come on, girls, it's your time. Don't give up. Audience, cheer them up.
Will they catch up? The gap is shrinking. Come on, girls, run fast, run.
Look at their energy, speed, and determination.
Every cheer up and clap is gonna help them a lot. Come on, audience. Congratulations, winners.
Competitors, on your mark. Set.
Look at them go, audience. Teamwork at lightning spirit. Come on, runners. Audience, cheer them up.
For a sports fan, sports is the epitome of hard work and dedication to get the pinnacle of their sport. Even the most naturally gifted athletes have to give it.
Come on, runners, run fast, run. Blue is in lead.
Green, red, all the groups are having a really tough competition. Who's gonna cross the finish line first? What a tough competition.
Now the baton has been passed by the blue, followed by red. Come on, girls.
What a great twist.
Come on, girls, keep going.
We're almost there. Yes, congratulations, winners. Track.
Losers quit when they are tired.
Competitors,
Winners quit when
on
they
your
have
mark.
won.
set.
Come on, girls, run fast. The time, the effort, the pain, the passion, the strength, the courage you sacrifice is all for the love of your game. What a true spirit our girls have got.
What a determination. Come on, girls.
Yellow, green and blue are having a really tough competition. Audience, cheer them up. Smooth pass over again.
A champion is someone who strives to become better, stronger, and faster. Come on, girls, keep going.
P.T. Usha, known as the Queen of Indian track and field, one of the greatest athletes who inspires the future with her speed and determination. She says, failures are the stepping stone to success. Every loss teaches you how to win better. Watch out, audience, there might be a really great twist. Yes, come on, yellow is in the lead, followed by green. Congratulations, winners.
Competitors, on your mark. Set.
And off they sprint.
Look at them, dash so quickly and so strong. Nothing can stop them today. Come on, girls, keep going.
Kamaljeet Sandhu, first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400 meters. She's a great inspiration for our girls today. Come on, girls, run fast.
Look at the spirit our super senior girls have got. Red and yellow is having a really tough competition. Who's gonna cross the first line?
What a race, what a energy. Come on, girls. Cheer them on. Everyone, clap your hands.
Look at our runners on the track, standing tall and ready to zoom in like rockets. Can we give them a big cheer? Yellow is in the lead, followed by red. What a spirit, girls, come on. Congratulations, winners.
Let's see who is going to break this record. Come on, girls, run fast.
India's Hima Das made a headlines by winning 5 gold medals in 1 month. A true sprinting inspiration for our girls. Blue is in the lead. That was a really smooth passover.
And it's a smooth handover.
The final exchange. Come on, girls, you're almost there. The finish line is in sight, and yes! Congratulations, winners! The win. What a spirit at the beginning!
Look at that speed, like a superhero rushing to the finish line. Here comes the first partner change. Smooth handover, that's teamwork in action. Come on girls, run fast. Last but not the least, the super seniors are flying on the track. What a smooth partner change. Come on guys, run fast. And here comes the last partner change. The blue is in lead, followed by the green and red. Come on girls, run fast, run. Nobody can stop them today. Come on runners. Congratulations winners.
Now I request all the high school students to assemble in the ground. Now I request the animators to bring the March Past students to the ground for the closing ceremony. Girls relay. First place goes to Saindavi D, Hashmita yes, Varsha yes, and Rakshana. Second place goes to Haribala, Rajini, Prerana, and Sonika. And third place goes to Anushri, Deborah, Karishma, and Aradhya. 6th standard girls. First place goes to Shrestha Sarkar. Second, R. Vaishnavi, Angel Santosh, and Jania NS. Second place goes to GS Pujita, Kalluru Varshita, Parinita, Zahin. And third place goes to K. Emilia, Iman Huda, Vaishnavi R, Krutika SH. 7th standard girls. First place goes to Ansi Meenu, Aradhya Patro, Clemenza, Meghana. Second place goes to Indumati Devaram, Neha Alfonsa John, Anika Saxena, Pallavi M. Third place goes to Sanjana Y, Pramo Mandal, Bita Arfa, Chaitra DM. 8th standard girls. First place goes to Vishnu Priya, Tanushri, Vijita Kriti, Lazia CM. Second place goes to Kushi Prabha Shetty, Renita Victor, Gagana Shri, and Rutvik Shri. And third place goes to Ansi Durai Singh, Aradhana, G. Roshna, and Isabella. 9th standard girls. First place goes to Rubel Victor, Sneha, Samiksha GM, Harshita. Second place goes to Teja P, Manyata, Lekha Bia, Shivani. Third place goes to Priyanshi Nayak, Tejasini, Kirtana M, Varshini R. 10th standard girls. First place goes to Chelesia, Bhavana, Deepika, Jia. Second place goes to Ishika Singh, Alekia, Tanisha Menenges, Poshrita. Third place goes to Neha, Akshita, Janisha Ramona, Jeshwita. PUC. First place goes to Emimal, Divya G, Nandana R, V Tejashwini. Second place goes to Bindushri R, Priya S, Bhumika, Kali Kumari. Third place goes to Jyoti Devi, Parinita, Nisha Esther, Mudigalam, Navyashri. Second PUC relay. First place goes to Benita Shri, Harina, Manasa, Manisha. Second place goes to Anushri R, Sneha, Chitra N, Ritu Bhatt. Third place goes to Ashriya Siddika, Vaitishwari, Armin and Fida. Congratulations, dear winners. Now I request Mr. Prasanna, PTA President, to award the winners.
exhilarating day. It has been filled with energy, talent, and teamwork and true sportsmanship. As we move towards the grand closing of our annual sports day, it's time for the most dignified event of the ceremony, House March. Champions are made when potentials are converted into performance. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. I now request Reverend Brother Santosh CSE Provincial Superior to announce the winners of group games. Football, seniors, winners are Blue House, runners up Yellow.
We request the captains to come forward.
Football, juniors, winners up Green House, runner up Blue. Throwball, girls, winners are Blue House, runner up Red House. Volleyball, boys, winners are Green House, runner up Red. Volleyball, girls, winners are Blue House, runner up Yellow. Congratulations, winners! Now I request our honorable guest of honor, Ms. Gina Sakaria, former Indian basketball captain and Indian selector, to announce the March Pass winner.
We request the captains of the yellow team to come forward to collect the prize.
I now request Reverend Brother Santosh CSC, Provincial Superior, to announce the overall championship.
So congratulations to all of you. Without any suspense, I announce the result. The first place goes to Blue House. With a point of 515. And the second place goes to Yellow House with 496. Third place goes to Green House with 478. And the fourth place goes to Red House with 457.
We request the Blue House captains and animators to come forward to collect the prize.
Congratulations once again to the Blue House. We thank you, dignitaries, for crowning our winners who participated with great enthusiasm.
Stop. Stand in line. Group, stand. Sir, photo section is later.
Good things must come to an end, but the memory of this day and the people present here will keep on lingering. It's time to lower the flag. The sound of the trumpet has ceased to alarm, which means spectacular pageant has come to an end. But the spirit of the Holy Cross School will grow stronger and stronger, but with energy day by day to serve you, dear parents, and become a landmark in the world of education.
Group, attention!
CPL Master Kabir Pasha and the group captains of the four houses are handing over the school flag to the guest of honor, Ms. Dina Zakaria. CPL Master Kabir Pasha and the group captains of the four houses are handing over the school flag to the guest of honor, Ms. Dina Zakaria. The flag is now handed over to our principal, Reverend Brother Balaswamy, CSE.
It's not joy that makes us grateful, it's the gratitude that makes us joyful. It's time to express our gratitude to all those wonderful people who have made this event possible and also successful. I invite Ms. Aishwarya, our sports leader, to propose the word of thanks.
Groups, studies.
Good afternoon, everyone. What an amazing day it has been. As we conclude our annual sports day, it's my privilege to deliver the vote of thanks. First, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Ms. Vidya C.H., Sub-Inspector of Police, Marathalli Subdivision. Ma'am, your presence and inspiring words have truly motivated us to aim higher and work harder. A special thanks to our guest of honor, Ms. Gina Zakaria, former Indian basketball captain and Indian selector. Ma'am, your achievements in sports inspire every student here to dream big and play with dedication. We are also grateful to our special invitee, Reverend Brother Santosh CSE, Provincial Superior of the Brothers of Holy Cross India, for your blessings and encouragement. We extend our gratitude to Reverend Brother Nelson CSE, Provincial Administrator of the Brothers of Holy Cross India, Reverend Brother Premanand CSE, Director of Vidyadeep College, Alsur, special guest, invitees, PTM President, religious sisters, brothers, principals and heads of various institutions and congregations for your presence and encouragement. Our sincere thanks to Reverend Brother Balaswamy CSE, the principal and correspondent, Reverend Brother Jnanasekaran CSE, the administrator, Reverend Brother Chako CSE, the superior of Dujare House and director of Abhaydama, Reverend Father Vinod CSE, Reverend Brother Arul Jeevan CSE, Reverend Brother Peter Paul CSE, and Vice Principal Mr. Nagraj, whose constant guidance and support have made today possible. To our teaching and non-teaching staff, thank you for your hard work behind the scenes. To my fellow students and participants, you were the true stars of the day, showing energy, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Finally, to our parents and guardians, your support and encouragement mean everything to us. Today was not just about winning medals, but about celebrating effort, discipline, and the joy of sports. Once again, thank you all for making this day memorable. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Aishwarya, for the words of gratitude.
Trigger patriotism and kindle the love of our country by paying due respect to our mother. Ladies and gentlemen, let us rise for the national anthem.
Groups, attention!
shows, its spirit will echo on our hearts for long. We thank each one of you for your precious presence and encouragement. May God's abundant blessing be upon all connected with this institution. With gratitude and joy, we bid you farewell until we meet again. Thank you.
Groups disperse. Now photo section you can take.
Dear students, we will have photo session with March Past the winners and also the overall winners. At the stage here, the first March Past group will come here, we will take a photo. The next overall champions. We will have separate assembly for thanking you, but today it is very hot sun, so we don't want to wait you for a long time. I request all the teachers also to come for the photo session. House animators can come on the top, come up with the trophy.